properly clean your Sony headphones, you will need a small container here with warm water. You can go ahead and use a soap here. Any soap you want. This is just the brand that I use here, non-scented. And for this, you'll also need 2 soft microfiber towels here. Let's go ahead and take our soap here. And you don't have to add much. I just use about 2 pumps here. And then I just mix around within the warm water here. You don't have to make it too soapy, just to make sure all the soap properly dissolves. And then you go ahead, you take 1 of your microfiber towels here, soak it into the soapy water, and then we just go ahead and make sure that we squeeze as much of the water out as possible. All right, just like that. Now let's go ahead and put this off to the side here. And I usually start on the headphones here, on the ear pads, sorry. So let's get this out the way. And then you don't have to use too much pressure. And then I just go around in a circular motion here, just to clean the ear pads. And then I usually just take my index finger, wrap it around the microfiber towel here, just like this. And then I just go on the underside of the headphones here. And just go around a couple times here, just to make sure it's properly clean. Just like that. Just use another area of the microfiber towel, just go back around again. Just like that. Again, not too much pressure. And then on the inside, I just give it a quick little wipe here. Again, very light, just like that. So not too bad. Let's go ahead now and do the other side. If you want, you can go ahead and soak the microfiber towel back into the soapy water solution. And again, just make sure you squeeze as much of the water out as possible here. And let's go ahead and repeat the process here for the other one. Let's get this back out the way. Again, we just go around here pretty light, just like that. Use our index finger here, put it underneath or around the microfiber towel and just go right under the ear pad here. Give the inside a quick little wipe. Then we go back around. Now we just get to the other part of the headphone here, the plastic part and the headrest here. And we just give it a quick little wipe, just like that. Again, wipe on the outside here. And just like that, we now have our headphones all clean. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and leave it to air dry. I usually just take the other microfiber towel here and just quickly dry from the top. And then I just come down here. Again, not applying too much pressure. Clean around the ear pad here on the inside. Just like that. And now, we now have Sony headphones that are fully clean. And that is the complete process here. And that's how you do it.